Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So today we are going to start Jenkins. Friends, I already covered Git for version control system as well as Bitbucket. I have teach you Maven as well as Ansible. So today for CI/CD I thought to start with Jenkins because Bitbucket also I have covered for CI/CD. But from today that class will be 3 days and we will discuss in 3 days about Jenkins, master slave Jenkins, all the thing along with that interview question and answer. And we will do one project as well but with the uses of by using Jenkins. So without any further delay, let's start Jenkins. So by seeing this, you understand that yeah, this is Jenkins. So let me I just want, and don't worry, I will show you the practical as well, because whenever when we are going to do the project, so you can see the practical also. So if you can see this, okay, pipeline example. So top status 508, that is succeed, that is in green color. If it get fail, it is in red color, and that is in some sky blue color. Repositories, like you can see. So this is, and all this repository name, branches, this is the build number, context, status, that is successful, running, failed, and this is the time when it will start, this is the time when it end, and this you can see the duration, that how much time it will take. So when you started working in Jenkins, so this thing you will get. Okay, that is the stage view. Now we can see the stage view. Okay, so see, if build Docker image, so you will see like that. Unit test on Ubuntu, you will see like that. Unit test CentOS, unit test Debian. So if it fails, so it will be in 32 seconds it got failed. If it succeed on master, so you will get this like this also. Okay, now you see that I just want to show you that how actually Jenkins look like in real time. So it's very simple for, and I'm damn sure if you will continue follow this 3-day series, you will be more confident and you will do become a master on Jenkins. So without any further wasting time, let's understand what is Jenkins. So if you're talking in like technical way, so it is a free and open source CI/CD tool used to automate the software development lifecycle, that is SDLC. What do you mean by free and open source? It means anyone can use it. And Jenkins, when it was written in Java language. It is platform independent. It means we can use on any platform. And but like in last series when we have discussed Ansible, so I told you Ansible was agentless, but and does not require plugins. But Jenkins is plugin based architecture, and it have a strong community support, and default port of Jenkins is 8080. Okay, and originally it called as a Hudson, but later Jenkins renamed as a Jenkins. You know what? So that's about Jenkins. Now, in Jenkins, if we all know CI/CD tool, what do you mean by CI/CD tool? CI means continuous integration. What do you mean by continuous integration? Continuous integration means continuous build plus continuous test. So for example, in day 1 100 lines is there, day 2 100 lines, total 200 lines will be there. So we have to build and test. In day 3 again 100 line we have added, so total 300 line. So again build and test. So before CI, what it will happen, we have to do manual work, that was time waste of time. After CI it is fully automated and it is time saving. How? Because see, previously if customer has given us to create something, okay, and after showing or after deploying in the application, it is showing no, I want these changes to be done. So we before this CI/CD process we have to do from the scratch. But now everything is automated, so whenever it asks, from that part only we can start and we can do. Now, what is CD? CD means continuous deployment or continuous delivery. So continuous, then what's the difference between delivery and deployment? Delivery means manually whenever we are going to deploy in the production, we call it as a delivery. And if everything is automated, then we call it as a deployment. So there are multiple environments in real time. Whenever you work, you will get to know dev environment, that is used by developers mostly. QA is for tester. UAT, that is used by the client. And prod, that is end user. So if pre-production, or we can say live or non-live, so live is prod, and non-live or pre-production we can say dev, QA, UAT. In many companies it is pre-prod. So like that, a non-live environment will be there. Now, what is pipeline? So, one second. Yeah. What is pipeline? Pipeline means step by step execution of a process. I'm sorry. Like daily life routine. We have to, if you are living in PG or anywhere, we will wake up, then we will do our normal routine like fresh up and all. After that we will do breakfast, lunch, then we will go to the PG, and then like you came and you do some classes. So in the same way, what is pipeline means, first we will code, then we will build it, test, then we will get artifact, and then we will deploy. So we can say step by step execution of a process is called pipeline, or series of event interlinked with each other, that is also we called as a pipeline. Now see, this is the some steps which we have to follow to install Jenkins. So this part I want to show you practically, as practically only, but here I just, why I have given here, so that you people have a basic idea. So in tomorrow class, when I was about to install the practical things, I don't want to take that much time to show all this thing. So see, if we have installed an EC2, so we required like in like yum install git java 1.8.0 openjdk maven-y. So with the help of that we can install. Then we will add repository, that like sudo wget, and this you will get. Then you have to install java 11 and Jenkins, and then we have to start Jenkins, because you all know if any services we are going to install it, so by default it will be nice like stop state, we have to make it restart, and then we have to give access to the port, and we have to set the password like cat like Jenkins secret initial admin password. So in this way we'll do. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the practical as well. So this is just for introduction, like these steps we are going to cover in tomorrow's session. And yes, I will, if you want, please do comment. I will share the PDF in my Telegram channel or in GitHub. Now, so if you first we will install, then I will also show you how to create first job like Freestyle. Multiple ways is there, CI/CD is there. So that I will show you. So leave it for now. Now try to understand what is variable in Jenkins. So there are two types of variable in Jenkins. That one is work inside Jenkins, and another is for global like variable. So whatever the thing it will work inside, that is called local variable. For example, name is Varsha, so echo hi all, my name is $name, name is teaching DevOps. So wherever name is there, it will convert as a Varsha. Now global variable, that you have to go to manage Jenkins system, global properties, and environment variable. So, and this is cron job and polyscium. So all these things, see, all this thing I'm going to teach you guys. So please be follow this series and you are going to be amazed with the things, because all things are I'm going to cover, that will be the practical thing. Just a second guys. So yeah friends, so this is the document which I have prepared, and from tomorrow I am going to take this one and I will attach the screenshot as well, so that it will be easy for you guys to understand. So I have make the PDF, so you will get, I will share this PDF as well. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great day guys.